Here's my other bumblebee nest. It's in the dryer vent. And they are pissed because the dryer's going on. They're mad because they live in there. I got bumblebee nests all over this place. It's a good thing. But look how much pollen is on some of these guys. Holy shit, if I can get close enough without getting hurt. Ooh, they're flying around me. But I'm not doing anything to them. They just don't like it because it's too hot, I think. They're trying to get back in there, but there's too much air. Look at all the pollen on him. I knew they were still in there.